in today's video, we're going to cover a process that'll help you decide which travel job is right for you. One of the biggest problems that aspiring digital nomads have is simply choosing which travel job to do. Some people may not have any ideas of what they want to do, and so they're stuck, and other people might have so many different ideas on how they can earn money while traveling that they don't know which one is the best to spend all their time and effort and money on. Making the decision can be a little bit nerve-wracking, and I've been there myself. When I started, I had no idea what to do. I first started trying to sell on Amazon. That took off and then crashed and burned really quickly. Then I tried to learn how to code. Then I tried freelance writing, and then blogging, and then YouTubing, and I've been all over the place, and it would have been nice to just have something that helped me decide on the right path from the beginning. I'm hoping that this video will help you save money, help you save time, help you save anxiety on not knowing if you're focused on the right thing or not, or if you're just wasting your time. And I basically just hope that it helps you feel more confident that you're making the right choice. I put together this handy worksheet download that you can use to fill out during all these exercises, so make sure to grab that in the description below. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want more no BS digital nomad and travel lifestyle videos like this. And with that, let's roll the intro. Alright guys, before diving in, I just want you to take a sec and leave a comment below saying what your biggest challenge is right now in terms of choosing which travel job is right for you. I'll try to read through all the comments and help you with any problems that you have. Alright, this travel job choosing formula that I put together has 5 different steps, and let's start with step number 1. Step number 1 is super important, so I highly encourage you not to skip it, and that is to picture your dream life in detail. Before we get lost searching for different travel job options on how you can make money online, first you want to have a clear picture in your mind on what exactly your end goal is so that we can develop a plan to help you get there. So take a second to close your eyes and picture your dream day. You can even pause this video if you need to. I want you to think of where you wake up in the morning, what country you're in, what type of place that you're in, if you're in a beach, if you're in the mountains. I want you to imagine how you spend your morning after you wake up, who you're with, what do you do, how much money does it cost, how much money are you earning, and just take a few minutes to go through the entire day from the time you wake up to the time you go to bed, and just imagine what your dream life would be. After you do that, write everything down in that workbook download I mentioned earlier, because when you write things down like this, it kind of brings them into reality, and so it's not just some thought out there, it's something physical that you have in front of you that you can read later and reread over and over to keep yourself motivated and keep yourself on track. Alright, after you have that down, your next step is to list out all of your experience, all of your strengths, and all of your interests. Again, do not skip these steps. So let me give you an example of what this might look like. Alright, step 3. Now with your dream life written in front of you, as well as your strengths, experiences, and interests written out in front of you, I want you to go through the list of all your different travel job options. I have a list of over 115 different travel job ideas that I'll include in the description below. So pause this video, open up that guide, and go through one by one and write down anything that looks interesting to you. And guys, if you like this video so far, make sure to give it a like so it gets shown to more aspiring digital nomads like yourself. So now you're going through the list and you're writing down anything that looks interesting or anything that sparks a little interest inside of you. You can write it down even if it doesn't necessarily match with the dream life that you wrote earlier. We just want to get all of the best ideas brain dumped out onto a paper, because that's going to help us with the next step. Interruption! Choosing a travel job is only one small piece of the puzzle. For the full blueprint on how to become a digital nomad, make sure to watch this video next. And the next step is creating your own personal roadmap. The thing is, the vast majority of digital nomads don't just choose one thing from the very beginning and that's the thing that they do forever. This does happen sometimes, but most people start with one thing, then another opportunity arises, then they move over to another thing, kind of like my path. A lot of times the dream job that can support your dream lifestyle isn't something that you can just start right away like this. You'll have to take stepping stone jobs to get there. The goal is to make a plan that just gets you there as quickly as possible so you're not wasting time. So go through your list and choose your end goal job and circle that one. That's the job that ideally you'll be doing once you achieve your dream travel life. From there, pick out some different jobs that you can use as a step ladder to get you there. Many times your end goal job might take a while to ramp up to, and until you get there, you'll have to choose some other jobs that earn faster while you build yourself up. So let me give you some examples. Maybe you want to be some famous travel YouTube vlogger and just make videos everywhere you go and get paid that way. You're not going to be getting paid and earning a living from day one. You'll have to choose something else. Maybe that's choosing a normal remote job that can take with you on the road. Maybe that's doing something like what I do, which is freelance writing and working for different clients, supporting yourself that way as you build up your dream. Or maybe you don't want to be a YouTuber. Maybe you want to build this big e-commerce empire and sell products online and make money that way. Well, again, that's not going to happen from the first day. So what a lot of travelers do, so they don't have to wait all that time, is they take a job, for example, teaching English online, or teaching English in countries like South Korea or China. In those countries, they pay really well. They normally pay for your accommodation, so you're able to save a lot of money. And I've met a lot of digital nomads who started that way, teaching in China or South Korea, and then after their teaching job at nighttime or on the weekends, they worked on building their other business. As you can see, there's a bunch of different ways you can mix and match jobs to get to where you want to go. There's really no right or wrong way. You just have to choose the unique path that's right for you. That said, while creating a roadmap like this can be extremely helpful, one tip that I have for you is to also stay flexible. Don't be so rigid on that roadmap that you miss out on other opportunities. Because the truth is, once you step out of your comfort zone and you start traveling, maybe you travel to China to start teaching English while you build up your e-commerce store on the side, but maybe while you're in China, you meet someone else and they have another business opportunity. So just make sure to stay open-minded. You'll be surprised at all the crazy different opportunities that present themselves when you step out of your comfort bubble. For example, when I left on a solo backpacking trip through Central and South America, I had no clue that eventually one day I'd be investing in real estate in Colombia. No idea. But I kept an open mind and now it's going really well. So remember, just go with the flow and see where life takes you. It's great to have plans. Planning is super important, but also if you pre-calculate your life too much, life just becomes boring. You want your life to be an adventure or a story where maybe you don't know quite where the ending is going to be, and that's what makes it exciting. Allow your life to be a journey. You can choose the general direction where you want to go, but then just let life take you from there. Guys, if you didn't follow my instructions and you didn't pause this video and you didn't go and look at all those 100 different travel jobs, maybe you don't like reading, here's a quick video that'll get you started. It has 10 different travel job ideas that anyone can have, even if you don't have any experience. So if you'd rather start by watching a video, go for that one. Give me a likey like if you want to see more videos like these, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.